Limited has been around since 1970. It was founded as a distributor of bronze material. It also did some bronze bushings at the start. About 40% of what we did was actual manufacturing and 60% was distribution. We do about 30% of that is aerospace, and the rest of that is commercial bushings, which would be used in forestry equipment, industrial pumps, light construction, heavy construction, basically anything that's going to be a hydraulic that's going to need a custom bushing made out of bronze. We started our search for new software because we needed something that was going to not only just give us financials, but we needed something that was going to help us schedule, something that was going to integrate our inventory as a perpetual inventory system into our costing. We needed something that was going to be a holistic company approach for getting everybody connected together and also getting the costing and accounting across every single department. So I wanted a solution that was by Microsoft, which was Business Central. I wanted something that was going to be customizable, something that would integrate well with SharePoint and Office 365, and I also wanted something that had its own CRM that we could beef up our sales process. It's very user-friendly. I definitely would say that would be a plus for it. It has a lot of features that, you can port something quickly into an Excel, which we've actually stopped porting as much stuff into Excel because we could actually just filter and look for the data that's on the screen. So it's very integrated into just how we work with the process and how we work with the system. So Business Central has given us about a 30% increase to productivity across all departments. I definitely say that there's probably about 30% less administrative type stuff in all the roles that we have right now. So we're concentrating more on getting the work done rather than playing with the work to get it done. The biggest savings would be in sales for producing the actual orders themselves, which takes to enter something in the sales line is incredibly easy compared to what we had to do before. I would say accounting is also another area of a lot of time savings because we still have to put it into electronic format, which is easy, and then link it into the accounting system. But having the same purchase orders, because before we were dealing with two different systems of purchase orders and receiving. So being able to deal with the receiving and all of the non-headaches of trying to find things in the accounts payable process is definitely a lot better. The credit system with AR is easy for us to deal with as well. Yes, I definitely would recommend Sabre, for sure. Sabre's expertise in regards to understanding what Business Central can do and tailoring the approach of how to onboard with Business Central for my company, I would say is something that they have honed in as a skill set to understanding their potential customers and their customers' processes. Sabre has staffed their implementation team with experts in supply chain and in scheduling production, understanding how sales integrates with the whole system and also with accounting. So a holistic approach rather than just an accounting focus. The staff are super friendly, very helpful, and really wants success and wants you to understand the product and learn from it and to be able to still grow with the product.